Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you how to reset the oil life. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Now, to reset the oil life, you will be using these menu buttons right here. So first, what you want to do, you want to press the menu button to switch into a different menu. As you can see, as I'm pressing the menu, I can switch between two different kind of menus. You want to get into this menu, and then you will press up or down button to scroll through the menu. And once you reach the remaining oil life, mine is at 78%, you will press this last button, set clear. And once you press it, you will get a question, are you sure that you want to reset? You will press the up button, yes, and then again you will press the set button, which is OK button. And that's it. This is how you can reset it and set it to 100%. And you should do that every time you change the oil, and then you will get the message once your next oil change is due. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.